Yo guys, what's happening everyone? It's your boy here, Abdurrahim. We are back again today with another great and amazing tech video. The video today is all about the DJI Neo 2 drone. Such an amazing drone from DJI, and we're expecting it to be clocking around 30 of October or on November, somewhere there. It's gonna be really great. And this kind of drone has a newer kind of refreshed specs compared to the DJI Neo 1, which it was, and the Neo 2 will be having bunch of upgrades. So today we're going to be talking about those kind of upgrades which have leaked online, and I think it's going to be really great. So as we can see, the overview of this kind of drone, how it's going to be. So enough of me talking, let's get started throughout the video today. So guys, the DJI Neo 2 specification are as follows. Well, it has a weight of 135 grams and it will be sub to 250 grams category, and it has a battery capacity of 1660 mAh, and it has a flight time of 20 to 25 minutes estimated, and the camera sensor, it will be 1/1.3 inch CMOS with a 13.5 stops dynamic range. It has a video capabilities of 4K at 60 fps, 10-bit HDR, and a D-Log M support. On the transmission side, it has a range of 04 system, approximately up to 10 kilometers range FCC. On the wind resistance, it has a wind level 5, and the storage side, it has a 22 GB internal storage. Tracking, it has tracking and sensors, AI tracking, gesture control, added infrared and LiDAR sensors. On the design side, it has a double prop guards, upgraded propellers with quieter design. So throughout these kind of specs, as we can spot it, there is quite different from the DJI Neo 1. We can see on the wind side, it has level 5. That means it's clocking almost like this kind of DJI Mini 2 over here, which is really good. And throughout the wind 5, we all know how wind is. Sometimes it's crazy. The DJI Neo 1 had a challenging throughout the wind, and this exposure throughout the DJI Neo 1, it was crazy, but the Neo 2, we're expecting it might be a little bit much better. I mean, exposure whenever you're shooting, the lightning controls, and on the subject or on the background, it changes rapidly. So we're expecting it to be a little bit much better. And another kind of stuff on the front side, there's going to be like a sensor side of you on the gesture and follow me and modes like that, which is going to be really great. And we're having on the other side whereby we are sporting some LiDAR sensors, which is really great. And throughout this kind of drone has an antennas, which surprised me on that leak, and I was like, okay, antennas, why there's antennas? Well, the antennas is for the people who are using FPV, I guess. I cross my fingers for that. I believe that that's the case. And the drone, throughout the sizing wise, might be the same size with the DJI Neo 1, or a little bit upgradable, like 2 grams or stuff like that, but we're expecting it to be there. The only thing which surprised me is the D-Log, and for the people who would like to color grade, this is really worth it. And not only that, for the cyclist people too, you know, that kind of drone, it follows you. Like me, I'm a cyclist, and you know, I love whenever I'm shooting my videos, sometimes I get challenges whenever I'm using my DJI Mini 3 Pro, or I'm using the 4 Pro, which is coming up soon. I'll share with you guys what's happening. But whenever I just fly the drone, I would like the drone just to follow me. So I think it's going to be really great throughout there. Some improvements and all of that is going to be really perfect, and I can't wait to put my hands on this drone because I'm going to share my thoughts what's happening. Another kind of stuff which I noticed throughout this kind of drone is the whole design. Now the design has changed typically from the DJI Neo 1 and the DJI Neo 2. You can just spot it at the first glance, which is really great. And I thought that it's going to be like, you know, same design, just minor upgrade, but the DJI went all in, which is great. So this is the DJI Neo 2 kind of leak throughout the DJI. You let me know in the comment section, what do you think? Would you be grabbing? I think if you wanted to buy a drone, I have one of my friends just bought a DJI Neo 1. He called me, bro, I have a DJI Neo 1, can you give me some regulation and stuff, what's happening in your country and stuff like that? And I told him, bruh, you could not buy it, you could wait, because Neo 2 is around the corner. So if you want to buy a DJI drone right now, is actually not the perfect time for buying a DJI Neo 1. Just hold your money, chill and buy it on coming announcements, and it's going to be really great because the pricing wise won't be much throughout the DJI Neo 1 and Neo 2. Might be a little bit, you know, 200 and something somewhere there. So that's it guys, hope you enjoyed it throughout the video of today, and let me know in the comment section what do you think, and if you're new here, consider subscribing to your homeboy here. I really appreciate on that. And last but not least, I'm going to be catching you guys on the next tech video. As always, stay sharp and creative. Kudos guys, and peace.